At present Google Docs do not have auto capitalize I option, but there is one trick. Using that trick you can replace all the small i's with the capital I in the Google Docs at once. Keep watching. To do that, go to the edit option, and under the edit option you will see find and replace option. You can also use Ctrl H as a shortcut. Click on it, and now what you have to do is in the find and replace box, if you type I, it will select I, but see that it is selecting I which is a part of word, but we don't want that. So what we have to do is in the find box press spacebar, then small I, and again spacebar, so that now this time you will see that only I is selected. To replace the small I with the capital I, spacebar, then capital I, and again spacebar, and then click on replace all, so that all I's in the document are replaced with the capital I. If this video helped you, please subscribe and press bell notification icon to support the channel. It takes only 1 second. Thank you.